Hope you're having a good Monday. Today we're gonna make Spam hash and eggs. Pretty simple. Oh, god damn it. Today we're gonna be making Spam hash. Today we're gonna be making Spam hash and eggs. And I've got a little spice thing here of Hungarian paprika, garlic, and ground pepper. And we'll be cooking it in our Visions cookware. We're gonna make up that mushy corned beef hash. This is my first time making Spam hash. I guess we have to try it. Oh, it tastes just like corned beef hash. Seriously. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's good. Oh my god. It's good, man. Thanks for watching.